In this video, we'll show you how to integrate Wisernotify with ClickFunnels to display real-time sales and lead activity notifications on your funnels. There are two key steps for this integration. Pixel code installation. Add the Wisernotify pixel to your ClickFunnels pages to display notifications. Webhook integration. Automatically pulls sales and lead data from ClickFunnels into Wisernotify. Let's get started. Webhook integration. Ensure you've created a sales or lead activity notification in Wisernotify. Then go to Customize Notification, navigate to Data Source, and click Add Integration. Search for ClickFunnels and click Integrate. Enter a name. Click Create to generate a webhook URL. Click Copy to save the webhook URL. Next, add the webhook to ClickFunnels for classic users. To configure the webhook, log in to your ClickFunnels Classic account. Click on the ClickFunnels tab and select Funnels from the drop-down. Open the funnel you want to integrate. Click on Settings in the top left menu. Scroll down to the Webhook section and click Manage Funnel Webhooks. Click New Webhook. Paste the copied webhook URL. Select events based on your needs. Set version to 1 and adapter value as attribute. Click Create Webhook to save the integration. For ClickFunnels 2.0, to log in into ClickFunnels 2.0 account, then click on Settings. Click on Webhooks and then on Add New Endpoint. Paste the Wisernotify webhook URL. Select the events you require and click Create Endpoint. Now go back to the Wisernotify app, close the integration pop-up, and make sure you select the ClickFunnels connection in your integration list. Kindly note, the notification will only appear if the selected data source has at least one data. After integration, once you have new data, it will start showing new activities. Now let's install Wisernotify pixel code to show the notifications. Navigate to the Install Pixel page. Click Copy Code to copy your pixel script. Then, to add the pixel code to ClickFunnels pages, log in to your ClickFunnels account. Go to the Funnels page, open the funnel where you want to add the pixel. Click on Settings in the top menu. Scroll down to the Body Tracking Code box. Paste the copied Wisernotify pixel code inside the box. Scroll to the bottom and click Save and Update Settings. This pixel code must be installed on all pages where you want to capture form submissions and display notifications. Now go to your ClickFunnels page, reload it a few times to avoid the cache issues, and return to Wisernotify pixel code screen. Click Verify Pixel Installation to confirm that the pixel code is successfully detected. If you encounter any issues, refer to our troubleshooting option or contact our live chat support for assistance. That's it. You're all set to display real-time notifications on your ClickFunnels pages.